I'll try to sing Ang Huling El Bimbo sa version ni Miss Morissette Amon using this portable karaoke. Tingnan natin kung maganda ba yung tunog niya. So, if maganda, click the yellow basket na, guys. Okay.
Basic. Hahaha. Galing. Grabe. 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 Okay, ito na masasabi ko kay Miss Elaine, no? Elaine Duran, isa to sa pinaka-idol ko talaga dito sa Pilipinas, no? Underrated, like Estrella, Elaine Duran, Mami Kat, at marami pang iba. Now, Elaine Duran has one of the most cleanest tone, no? And singing style. Kasi alam naman natin maraming gustong maging soul, R&B, maging pop, R&B. Pero yun nga, hindi ganun kalinis, no, kumanta. But Elaine Duran, yung tone, yung technique, sobrang linis. Like, solid na linis. And mind you, hindi lahat ng singers pwedeng kumanta ng version na to. Okay? Kasi ang daming bali, ang daming notes, ang daming runs, riffs, and it's not that very easy sa range, no, sa babae. So it's very challenging. So given the fact na kinanta ito ni Miss Elaine with live track, no, gumamit lang siya ng kung anong ginamit niya, yung portable na karaoke machine, man, hands down, sobrang galing. So tell me what you think in the comment section.